Let's draw Disgust Pumpkin. He's my favorite character from Inside Out 2. And who's yours? Hello friends! Welcome to a new video. Let's start by making the pumpkin. Very good. You are doing a good job. Then we will draw the nose. Then we will draw the eyes. Disgust has very long and pretty eyelashes. Ups! Let's not forget the eyebrows. And finally, we will make the mouth. It's time to paint. It's my favorite part. What color is this? Green. And we will paint her lips pink. My favorite color is blue. And what is yours? And finally, the black color for the eyes and eyelashes. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of these fantastic drawings. What a fun drawing! You draw very well!